Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix videos unavailable at this time, maybe because of technical error on your Facebook. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error videos unavailable, if you are seeing the error videos unavailable at this time, maybe because of technical error on your Facebook, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to long press on your Facebook app. Then you will find here app info. You just need to click on that. Once tap on the force stop, tap on OK. After that, you can see here storage and cache. Just tap on that. Once tap on clear cache. Then go back. Open the Play Store. Then search for Facebook. If your Facebook app is not up to date, then update it from here. After completion of this update, then go back and restart your mobile. After restarting, then check your Facebook app. Hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So this way you can fix videos unavailable at this time, maybe because of technical error on your Facebook. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.